Behind me is the all-new MANUFAKTUR Arctic Edition GLS 63, fresh off the truck. This thing is super cool. Let's check it out. So right off the bat, you're gonna notice that we've got the Magno Cirrus Silver paint. This is a matte finish silver paint. You can't get this through the normal build process on a GLS 63. So this is exclusive to the special edition. You can get regular Cirrus Silver, which would be a metallic paint, but very cool to see it in matte finish here. Love the look, love these wheels. So you've got the red brake calipers, you've got the red surround on the multi-spoke wheels, just really ties together nicely. Oh man, that is just epically cool. I love when you can get something in a special edition that you can't get through the normal build process. I'm gonna take you over to the window sticker here and show you what we're working with. So there it is, MANUFAKTUR Cirrus Silver Magno, and we've got a Carmine Red Interior, so we'll check that out in a moment. Retail price $180, $100. There is the MANUFAKTUR Arctic Silver Edition. Let's go and take a look on the inside. So we've got some red accents on the outside wheels here. We've got our red brake calipers, and then we have our Carmine Red. Oh, and check out the carbon fiber with the red weave. Very cool. Carmine, such a beautiful color of red, kind of a deep burgundy color. It extends onto the steering wheel here, and I love this red weave in the carbon fiber. Really classy. You can see the MANUFAKTUR Arctic Silver badge right here on the trim. You've got Burmester 4D surround sound system, tweeters here in the A-pillar. Oh man, this is just absolutely gorgeous. Rear seat entertainment package. Now I have got to say, I have been talking about this with my team. I find it hilarious that rear seat entertainment went away. Mercedes-Benz took it away for several years. You couldn't get it, and guess what? It's making a comeback. My prediction, people are over iPads, they're over tablets and having kids hold on to things. Put those screens back in the back, they're fixed, they're there. Everybody can watch the same thing, or everybody can watch something different if they want, but I just think it lends itself to a better viewing experience. So funny to see those making a comeback, but you've got Dynamica on the headliner here. Just beautiful, gorgeous, gorgeous. Our pillows, of course, on the headrests. Let me know what you think. I think this is very tastefully done. We're mixing components of silver, black, and red. I think it ties together nicely. It's not too much, it's just right. And there's no risk of seeing anybody with anything similar because you can't spec a GLS 63 this way. I'm sure you could do a stealth wrap and you could paint the wheels if you really wanted to recreate it, but that red interior, that's hot as well. So let me know what you think in the comments. Are you a buyer for the Arctic Silver Edition GLS 63? This one is available, just arrived. I really like the way it turned out. Job well done. Tip of the cap to the MANUFAKTUR team at Mercedes-Benz. Let's go.